Today I'm in Guarda. Take note of your controller configuration to make the most of this tutorial. Today we will film two different monuments, the Castle of Guarda that is in front of us and the Cathedral of Guarda, which you can see in the background. So let's just get started with the tutorial. For the first shot we are going to reveal the cathedral from behind the castle. But we don't want to completely hide the cathedral. In fact, we want to always have at least a part of the cathedral visible and at the center of the frame. Just like this. From here we are going to move forward and up while tilting the gimbal down to always keep the cathedral at the center of the frame. Okay, let's now make an orbit around the cathedral. We will start with the focus on the cathedral, and halfway through the orbit we will start to slowly shift the focus to the landscape around the city. We are going to do that by first establishing an orbit around the cathedral by moving right and rotating left, and then by adding an upward gimbal move to reveal the landscape. Nice. Let's do the exact same thing, but now to reveal the other part of the city. Okay. Next, we will show the cathedral from the top by just moving up. This is a must-do shot for any drone pilot. From above, you get a very privileged view that reveals things that are not apparent at ground level, such as the cross that the cathedral forms. Let's now get back to the castle and do some more shots there. For the next shot, we are going to position the drone at ground level with the castle at the center of the frame, and from here we will slowly move up while tilting the gimbal down. Let's next do a shot where we are orbiting around the castle with the castle at the center of the frame, and where at the end of the orbit we shift the focus to the cathedral. We are going to do that by first establishing an orbit around the castle by moving left and rotating right, and then by slowly adding a forward movement to the rotation. Perfect. One thing that I like to make sure of is that I have enough material to work with when I am in the editing phase. So let's also do a top-down view of the castle by just moving up. Let's now do an easier variation of a shot where we shift our focus from the castle to the cathedral. For this one, we are going to start with the castle at the center of the frame, but this time we are going to shift the focus to the cathedral by moving right and in front, while rotating left and moving up. And for our final shot, we are going to bring the cathedral slowly into frame by just moving backwards. And that was it for today. Click this video next to see the end result of this tutorial.